Hello, welcome back to Life in Midlife, and it's Sunday evening that we're recording this. Of course, you're seeing it on Valentine's Day. And in many comments, I've gotten, Kevin, what are you doing for Kelly? Len, what are you doing for Dorothy? They are taking us out for supper. But Kevin has to clean the car off first. It is snowing again today. So, yeah. Anyways, I've never been to this restaurant. Kevin's been once, but I've never been. And I'm looking forward to it. It's a Valentine special. It's $50 for a couple, and you share an appetizer, 2 main dishes, and share a dessert, I think. And so yeah, we're heading out there. Mike and Katie are joining us, and Len and Dorothy are joining us. So it's a little chilly, but it's snowing. So remember yesterday, and I said in the comments for somebody to say who you resembled if you had a leather coat on.
Right.
There was only one comment, and it totally blew me away. It was not who we thought.
Oh.
Nicolas Cage.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah. So you want to tell everybody who you have
Joe Pesci in Home Alone.
Yeah. He has been called that many, many, many times.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh, yeah.
Anyways, we are heading out.
Our nice, great weather again. Snow again. I don't know where the heck I'm gonna put it.
I know.
Like,
I know. Look, it's just craziness. Craziness. So, anyway, we'll just take you along for the drive.
We're just heading towards the airport.
Yeah, right in front of us.
Yeah.
When I say we live at the end of the runway, I mean it.
Yeah, it's hard to see over the lights for the runway, or like are right there, the strobe lights.
I spent the first 20 years of my life 2 blocks away from the train station, and the last 30 plus years at the end of runways.
Yeah. Well, not so much in North Bay, because we're off to the side. There wasn't as much there.
Yeah, there wasn't as much.
Because it's just a civilian airport in North Bay.
Yeah. But we were still there, like the airport was still kind of right there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
But so, I just mean...
Oh, and in Kingston.
Yeah, in Kingston, because the airport was way out on the other side.
Yeah.
But that's what I was referring to.
But Kingston was a training base for you, like you taught there.
Yeah, it's our school for communications.
Yeah.
But I mean in North Bay, it's just like, there wasn't like the odd flights. Like, it's not.
But in Trenton, which is the largest Air Force base in Canada, we lived right near the end of the runway.
Yeah.
So.
Please stay green. Because I don't feel like slamming on my brakes.
I love this street. I love how the trees line it. It's like an archway going. A lot of our side streets are like this.
I was going to say, a lot of these side streets are.
A lot of our side streets have the arch.
The only problem is when we get those stupid crankworms in the summer.
Oh.
They all hang from the.
It's nasty.
And you're driving down these side roads, and they're like bouncing off your car, and you're running them over.
Oh, they're awful.
Oh.
Yeah.
That was a really good stop there, car.
Well, then you've got living in North Bay, and the end of June, early July, when you've got the shad flies.
Yeah, but they're relatively stay downtown.
Oh yeah, but it's like a
water,
blanket of them.
Yeah, driving downtown at night on Lake Shore, slamming on your brakes and sliding everywhere.
And it's funny because we say the home of the shad flies is North Bay, but from southern Ontario, you call them fish flies.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing.
Well, they are. Their actual official name is a made fly. Made fly. Yeah, something like yeah. So the shad fly fish fly, but when you actually look it up, it all goes back to that main.
I'm sure there's a scientific name for them too, but
yeah. Anyways, they're all the same flies. You say 6, I say a half dozen. You know, kind of like that kind of a scenario.
Yeah.
And when I grew up, like, even though we live fair ways away from bodies of water, they'd actually come inland, like not in big drones like they did in North Bay, but we would have them flying around the baseball diamond lights at night.
Well,
I know. Sorry.
in North Bay, they occasionally would have them up on the base
Oh,
too.
you would, yeah, like you would find maybe 1 or 2, but you know, you go downtown and so if you folks, if you're really interested, get into the onto the World Wide Web there, the internet, and just type in Google search shad flies North Bay.
Oh yeah.
And it will give you absolute pictures of what these things look like and how thick they get. We have them here in Manitoba too, out in Gimli, and they get just as thick out there. I remember, and they
don't call them shad flies here. They call they call them something else.
Yeah, it's shad flies. They call them shad flies.
Oh, I thought they called them something else.
No, they call them shad flies. They got the biggest shad fly there in that on that road.
Yeah, but
they call them shad flies. Yeah.
So.
But yeah, and like I said, normally first, second week of July.
Yeah. They have been as early as like the last week of June.
Yes.
So, which is really gross because a lot of baseball and soccer and stuff at that time.
Well, tell me about it. I umpired in them.
Yep.
Except for like the first year, because I did a lot of the umpiring over by the Pete Colangelo. But when we went down to that one diamond down by the lake, yep.
Not a lot of people out on the streets.
It's Sunday.
Yeah. Clean your car off, dude.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yep, it's definitely not Saturday.
No. I mean, it'll get a little bit more busier once we get up there.
I'll never forget that building right there.
Yeah.
If you go back probably 4 years ago,
2018.
Hannah got her wisdom teeth out in that building.
Yeah, April or May, I can't remember, but 2018.
Yeah, if you go back. Now, okay, I videoed her when we were trying to get her in the car and stuff, but I did have her permission. It wasn't a video that I put up to embarrass my daughter.
No.
I had her permission to embarrass her.
Yeah.
And I had her permission prior to her going in for her surgery.
Yes.
So she was funny. She couldn't figure out the seatbelt. And
Oh, I know. Oh, and then What was it about the ice? It's hard. And...
It's hard.
Yeah.
It was funny. Yeah. So this is where we took you down yesterday.
Yes.
That restaurant right there, Ray and Jerry's Steakhouse. I have so many times called it Ben and Jerry's because Ben and Jerry's is ice cream, you know.
Yeah. We've only eaten there once, and that was on takeout. Actually.
It was a takeout when restaurants were closed.
Yeah. Was it on our anniversary?
I think so. It was delicious.
I don't know if I liked it as much as chop.
No, but it was still delicious. And besides, it's not going to be as good in takeout as
No.
dine in either. Because you don't have the ambiance.
Yeah. Actually, we did chop steakhouse last year for Valentine's.
Yes,
and
we
our,
did.
And our anniversary. Or was it just our anniversary? I
Can't remember.
I'd have to go back and look.
I don't remember.
I know it was one or the other.
Oh, and I forget who it was, but a couple of Vlogentines ago, somebody commented that Brody should have had a Vlogentines bags each day.
Oh, really?
So next year we have to do that.
Well, that's if we do it next year.
Oh, we'll be doing it. All right, we've made it to the restaurant. It's, hold up the menu for a sec, Kevin. Let me see the title. Just the title. The Old Spaghetti Factory.
Okay, take a picture of how you
I will take that menu home and we'll show you a little bit better.
Yeah.
All right,
Not fun.
Vlogentine Day.
Number 14.
14.
Okay, let's see what
Did
he's
you already
got.
introduce that in the car?
No, I just said happy.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
there we are.
There.
Chairs. Have you got an empty bag?
I know what's in it.
Oh, and then got sauce.
Oh, that's what that is. Okay.
I thought they were so cute.
Okay, socks.
Well, show them.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I love you with all my heart and soul. That's cute.
Okay. I got a Kit Kat and a Tim Hortons card.
Woohoo. I'm getting a phone call. I'll be back. So Len and Dorothy got the minestrone soup for appetizer. Or not for starter, not for appetizer. We're getting salads, but they haven't come yet. I meant, there's our starter. We all got the salad down there.
Okay.
Our appetizers have arrived. These are matzo triangles with marinara. You got
Bam Bam
Bam shrimp. They got the matzo as well. So. What'd you get?
A mouthful. It's something bacon, whatever.
It was about this long.
Something and something ravioli.
There. What'd you get, Len?
Spaghetti
Yes.
meatballs.
You got manicotti.
I got manicotti, yes.
Katie got just spaghetti with marinara. And Mike got
Chicken parm.
chicken parm. Yum. Kevin's looks really good.
It's a kind of like garlic pesto
I would like that for sure.
with bacon.
Yeah. Manicotti looks delicious too. And yes, there's no plate in front of me. I ordered something and she thought I ordered something else, so now I have to wait. Alright, so I got seafood linguine. There's scallops and shrimp with marinara. I find marinara kind of a weird sauce to have with seafood. It's usually a garlic or something, but it sounded good. This is dessert.
Yeah.
Look at that chocolate cake. They got the same down there. Looks mighty yummy.
What are you having?
The
Kitchen.
All right, we made some good damage on the table. It's all gone.
That was delicious.
It was. Everything was delicious. So we'll meet you back at home and I'll show you the menu. All right, we're home. There's Mr. Broad. Did you miss Mama and Daddy? Yeah. You want to tell your friends what Mommy just did to you?
Okay. You tell them.
Say, my mommy put me out to the potty in the dark, forgot to turn the light on. And I didn't like it. Mwah. All right, let's show our friends this. So this is a picture on the menu and of Winnipeg. And it says the opening day of the Winnipeg Electric Street Railway in 1892. And they have one of those cars similar. It says streetcars similar to the one on our patio were used in Winnipeg until 1955. So, yeah, it was, and there. Supper was good.
Yeah. Except for the dressing. Oh, it was salty.
Yeah, but they have quite the extensive menu. Now, we didn't order off this menu. We had the Valentine special. But, yeah, we love balsamic vinegar, at like the vinaigrette for salad dressing, but
Oh, yeah.
holy,
Salty.
it was really salty. So Katie did the right thing. She put some salad on her fork and just dipped it, because not me, not knowing, I just dumped it,
We
right?
just dumped it, yeah.
Yeah, it was salty. So, and then she ordered me the wrong thing.
Yeah. She ordered you the pesto
Something, I don't know.
and not the
And then,
pesto linguine, chicken pesto linguine or something.
yeah,
Not the-
I'm like, chicken. I
yeah,
ordered
the shrimp,
seafood.
You ordered the shrimp linguine marinara.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, anyways, it was all worked out. And somehow our orders got backed up or something and took forever to get them.
Yeah, the main dishes.
Yeah, but it was
I was
nice.
in no rush.
No, I
But it
wasn't
was
either.
funny. As soon as Mike had said something, the waitress come up and said, and apologized for the
Yeah.
wait.
Yeah, we were looking for the little bugged microphone.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, anyway, thanks for joining us on our Valentine's dinner. It was fun. You got your Tim Hortons card?
Yeah. But I wish you would hurry up.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
They like
And
to
I got
talk-
my chocolate bar.
Yes, you did
My
get
little
it.
Kit Kat bar.
All right. See you on the next video.
Bye.